Welcome back to Stoic Crypto. Today I'm going to talk about Sui or Sui. I'm not sure the exact pronunciation, but we'll go with Sui. And I'm going to show you how to get started. It's a newer L1 blockchain, non-EVM, just about a year old, not even. So there's definitely some upside potentially with Sui. Not financial advice. It's just for educational purposes only. I highly recommend following Mateo on X. He posts a lot of content about Sui. Okay, so let's get started. So obviously go to their X profile and then you can click through here, which will take you to their website. So if you scroll to the bottom of their website, you'll see ecosystem and then directory. This is where you'll find all the projects currently building on Sui. Specifically what we're looking for right now is we need a wallet, right? So let's click on select category and then let's go to wallet. And there are a bunch of wallets available for Sui. The one I'm going to do in this example is the native Sui wallet, again native to the blockchain suite. I've heard a lot of good things about this one as well, so I'm going to do a follow-up video covering that, but in this case we're going to go with just Sui wallet. So we'll go ahead and click on wallet, view website. It'll take you to the Chrome web store, and then we're just going to add this as an extension just like we would MetaMask or Phantom, other Web3 wallets. One of the neat things about Sui is that they aim to make it very easy for the Web 2 world to connect to Web 3 without really even know much of the technical details of it. So you can see you do have the option of signing in with Google or Twitch, but in this case we're going to create a new wallet. So we're going to click there, and you also have the option to use a ledger hardware wallet or to import an existing wallet. In this case we're going to create a new wallet. Alright, so once you've entered your password, you do have the option here to auto lock it after a set amount of time. Check this box here that you've read terms and agreed and create wallet. Alright, so it's going to take you to this wallet created and your recovery phrase. Obviously I'm not going to show this, but what you're going to do is you're going to click here. So write it down multiple times and store it in multiple locations in case something happens. Once you've saved your recovery phrase, check this box and then open Sui wallet. Okay, so here's my new wallet. One other thing I'll show you that I like to do right away is open a new tab and then click on this and then click pin, so it's easy to access. There it is. Once you have your wallet created, the next step is to send some Sui to it. They give you the option to buy it right in the wallet. So if you're able to do this with MoonPay or Transact, if you want to try it that way, you can do that. I purchased my Sui on a centralized exchange. I use Coinbase. So I'm going to send it from Coinbase to this wallet address. So you would just copy your wallet address, go into Coinbase or whatever exchange you're using, and then hit transfer and send it to your wallet address. It's really fast. It'll show up almost instantaneously. So once you have some Sui in your wallet, next step is we're going to go explore some of the ecosystem tokens. You go to DEX Screener, click on Sui, you'll see all the tokens in the ecosystem. I like to look for the top meme coins on new blockchains or really any blockchain and see if I have an opportunity to get into them at a good price, where if more liquidity and volume comes into the blockchain, it's kind of a levered long on the underlying token. So that's what we're doing here with Sui, not financial advice. This is just one of my strategies. Please do your own research. FUD is a token that I've looked at. It seems to be their top meme coin at the moment. The way I like to analyze meme coins, obviously you look at the chart, go out to X, see how many followers they have, see how often they post, learn as much information about them as you can. The other things I look at. Market cap, obviously, it's still relatively low. It looks like at one point, I always change this to market cap when looking at meme tokens. It just gives you a better idea. So it has touched like 25 million market cap right now. It's sitting around 12. Looks like it's a pretty good entry in my opinion, so we're going to purchase this one. Some other things I like to look at too when analyzing meme tokens, whether it's on Sui, on Say, or Solana, I like to go down here, click search on Twitter, and this is just going to search it by the actual ticker symbol. Another good way to kind of get a feel for sentiment around the token. So I've done my research on FUD. I like it, and I'm going to use this in the example today of how to buy Sui ecosystem tokens. Now that we've identified the token we want to purchase, we need a DEX. There are multiple DEXs for Sui. The one we're going to use in this example is Turbos. So again, I always recommend starting on their X page or Twitter page. Turbos is a good DEX. Another one is Cetus. This is also a really good DEX for Sui. In this example, we're going to use Turbos. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and connect my wallet. In this case, we're using Sui wallet. Wallet will pop open, just click connect. Alright, wallet's connected. I'm gonna swap obviously some SUI for, I wanna get FUD. So let's click here and see if it's already in here natively, which it is actually. So you just click on this. If your token does not show up when you're looking to swap it on a DEX like Turbos or any other DEX, what you wanna do is go to DEX Screener and then copy the token contract address up here. Just click copy and then go back to your DEX and you would paste it. And if it's available on that DEX, it'll pop up and you can just click this and then click on it. All right, so we're gonna swap some SUI for FUD. Right now we have 40 available, right, in our wallet, 40 SUI. So let's just say half. So we'll swap 20 SUI for this amount of FUD. Rate warning, I'm not sure what that is. Let's click on that. This is just a slippage, I guess. It's set to auto, so we'll just leave it on auto for now. If you're trying to trade a token that is very volatile with lots of volume, you probably have to increase your slippage to like 3, 4, 5%. In this case, we're gonna leave it on auto and we're gonna click trade and then go ahead and approve it. So it was really fast. Another benefit of SUI is extremely fast. So you traded 20 SUI for that much FUD. You can view it on the Explorer, so click View on Explorer. SUI Vision is their version of like Etherscan or SolScan or SayScan, right? It's the Explorer for the SUI blockchain. So we can see success here. Let's close this and then let's open our SUI wallet. Nice, so it showed up automatically. I didn't have to add the token manually. So we have that much. We have 72 million FUD and now we have 20 SUI. My theory again is that if volume does come into the ecosystem tokens of SUI, the top meme coins could see a significant increase in price. It's kind of a way to leverage meme coins to grow your SUI bag. So everything that I showed you here, I will put links to it in the description. This is just a quick video to show you how to get started. I will have more videos on SUI and other things such as NFTs and DeFi coming up, so please stay tuned. Thank you for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one.